Today.
Look at Mango. Mango's cute. I like Mango. You're not cute. That one's named Cece. It's not cute. Calico's. It was the last one to get named because he didn't know what to name it because it wasn't cute. Look at it. It's lame. It doesn't like you.
Why?
Why are you letting it sniff you?
So that it can get used to me. Yeah, it feels good, doesn't it?
You're pulling back its eyes. They're all examining this hole.
I'm so sorry, little guy. Yeah.
That's not how you grab a cat.
I know, you just grab it like this. Yeah.
It's still not very good.
It's not.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna start pawing at you.
I'm not a caterpillar person.
Oh my god. Cling for dear life. Yo, Spiderman!
No.
Dude, I didn't know we had Spiderman in our backyard.
I feel bad for doing that. Should I feel bad?
No, it's never gonna remember that. Oh my, what the? Yo, it'd be peeping.
That's a little cute. That's a little cute.
Yeah, if only it was a cuter kitten.
Jeez.
Daisy! It was in a pipe. That's my favorite one. Let's go to Daisy.
Oh, it's in a pipe?
Yeah, in that pipe.
Oh,
Dude,
there it is. Aww.
Daisy's so cute, and she likes humans too. It's cute.
She is cute.
She's really cute.
Hi, Daisy.
Hi, Daisy.
Only her head is white. Oh.
Yeah, only she's still a calico, but she's mostly white. You're a loser. Oh, Tom wants to interact with you. Pet Tom. Tom's a girl.
This one or this one?
Tom. That one's name is Callie, and then the small one's Tom.
Nice Tom. Tom.
Nook.
Oh, because he looks like Tom from Tom and Jerry.
You know? He does.
He is Tom.
I just said Tom randomly, and he looked like Tom from Tom and Jerry. You're really bad at petting cats.
What do you mean?
Oh, Mango's clawing at Callie. This is interesting.
I usually pet my dogs, that's why.
Hi, Daisy.
Well, I know that you're a girl.
Hi, Daisy. Daisy. You're scaring her. Stop. Oh, Spiderman!